Poy. J Poy to Jasper. Backhand pass to Anjali. It's a drop. Bow holding the wrist. Pass to Miguel. Backhand pass to Myron. Pass to John Paul. To Katrina. Katrina. Pass to John Paul again. Pass to Myron. It's a score by Myron from BFDA. Pull by Maki from BFDA, aka Pacquiao. Brian holding the disc. Hack by Brian. It's a D by Myron from BFDA. Miguel, pass to Myron. To Miguel. Pass to Katrina. Back to Miguel again. To Pacquiao. Pacquiao to John Paul. Pass to Myron. It's a score by Myron from BFDA. Score is 2-0. To. This is our fight for third. Pulled by Korang from BFDA. Mapoy. Mapoy holding the disc. It's a D by Justin. Juan to Justin. Pass to Shusho. Score by Curl Charles Bahar, aka Kuya Kisi. Score is 3-0. Corinne with the pool. It's outside. Mapoy. Mapoy pass to Ruan. Ruan. Pass to naka-blue. Pass to Jipoy. Jipoy holding the disc. Backhand pass to Earl. Earl to Mapoy. Mapoy holding the disc. It's a D by Juan. Shushu. Backhand pass by Shushu. It's a turnover. Earl holding the disc. Hack by Earl. It's a D by Korang. Curl. Pass to Korang. It's a turnover by BFD. Jipoy. Backhand pass to Earl. Earl holding the disc. Pass to Mapoy. Mapoy to Ruan. Ruan. Pass to... It's a drop. Backhand through by Korang. To Justin. Justin. Pass to Carlo. Carlo to Justin. It's a drop by Justin. Mapoy. Mapoy with the D's. Pass to Ruan. Ruan to Jipoy. Jipoy pass to... It's a drop. Another turnover. 3-0. Another turnover from Blacklist. Kurang holding the disc. Pass to Curl. To Kurang. Kurang. Pass to Justin. Justin to Curl. Kuya Curl. To Juan. Juan. Juan with the disc. Back to Kuya Curl. Curl to Juan. What a score by Kuya Kisi from Bai City National Aguinaldo. Score 4-0 in favor of BFD. Pulled by Kuya Braille. Liam. Pass to Brian. Brian to Erica. Erica to Angeli. Pass to naka-blue. Back to Edwards. It's a goal. What a D by Chalex. It's a score by Chalex from BFD. Earl holding the pass to Liam. Liam to Earl. Earl to Brian. Brian to Liam. Liam. Backhand pass to Brian. To Edward. Pass to Brian. Brian again. Looking for Barba. Barba holding the D's. Barba pass to Brian again. And Brian pass to Erica. Erica to Edwards. To Brian. Brian pass to Barba. Barba pass to Brian again. Naay na Kraman si Pacquiao from BFD. Brian holding the D's. Pass to Liam. It's a score by Liam from Blacklist. Pulled by Mapoy from Blacklist. Korang with the D's. Pass to Shushu. Shushu to Bao.
Okay, dito na bilhin sa mong gipalitan ha.
Bao, Bao to Korang. Pass to Chalix. Chalix to Kuya Curl. Curl. What a forearm by Kuya Curl. It's a drop. Liam. Pass to Mapoy. Mapoy. Back to Mapoy. Mapoy to Ruan. Ruan. Backhand pass to Mapoy. It's outside. Shushu, backhand pass to Curl. Oy, sugar kayo. Jasper. Jasper holding the D's. What a D by Bawex. Bao to Myron. Myron to Chalex. Chalex to Bao. Hammer pass by Bao to Bryle. It's a score by Myron from BFD. This is our fight for third. Last point ang BFD para Mirror. Brian with the pull. Earl to Liam. Liam to Brian. Brian pass to Barba. Barba holding the D's. Pass to Brian. Backhand pass to Earl. Pass to Liam. Hack by Liam. It's a D by Carlo from BFD. Brian. Pass to John Clifford. To Justin. Hack by Justin. It's a score by Carlo from BFD. Score is 7-1. Pulled by Earl from Blacklist. Shushu with the D's. Shushu pass to Miguel. Miguel to John Paul. Forehand pass by Corang. Corang holding the D's. Pass to John Paul again. John Paul pass to Juan. Juan to Miguel. Miguel, backhand pass. Oh, it's a D by J-Poy. Pass to Earl. Earl to Mapoy. Back to Earl. To Mapoy. To Earl again. Pass to Mapoy. Back to Angeli. It's a score by Brian from Blacklist.
Kung nag-gusto ito, nandiyan na yung gamit ko.
Time remaining 22 minutes and 15 seconds. Pulled by Earl from Blacklist. Clifford. Pass to Bao. Bao to Katrina. Katrina holding the D's. Pass to Bao again. Backhand pass to Carlo. It's a drop. Brian holding the D's. Back to Brian. Brian to Earl. What a D by Chalex. Backhand pass by Clifford to Chalex. It's a drop. Earl holding the D's. Pass to Brian. Back to Earl. Earl pass to Ruan. Ruan to Brian. It's a score by Ruan from Blacklist. Ang score is 7-3 in favor of BFD from Bay City. This is our fight for third. Pulled by Mapoy from Blacklist. Blacklist from Dumaguete. Brian holding the ace. Pass to Shushu. Shushu to Alexa. Oy, nanin ni Brian. It's a score by Juan from BFD.
Saan daw? Dito.
BFD 8-4. Pull from BFDA. Earl to Brian. Back to Earl. Earl to Erica. Erica with the dis. Dagger pass by Jepoy. Jepoy holding the dis. Back to Erica. Erica with the dis. To Earl. Earl to Erica. Backhand pass by Brian. Brian. It's a drop by Brian from Blacklist.
Ito po yung backlist namin nasa. Yung mga kakata ganyan, 45, 50.
Ang
45 minutos, 50 minutos.
it's a score. Our next game championship, UG versus Wasakaway. UG Ultimo Gagmatoy from Gihulngan and versus Wasakaway from Dumaguete. Pull by Carlo from PFD. Jepoy. Backhand pass by Jasper. Jasper to hook by Brian. Earl grab to this. It's a score by Ruan from Blacklist. Score.
Sa Blackface place.
Makita niya ko. Ako niya tatawa.
Pull by G-Boy from Blacklist. Miguel to Korang. Oy, gailog sila sa dis. Korang to Bryle. Forehand pass. Oy, it's a drop by Bryle. It's a turnover. Edward with the D's pass to Jasper. Jasper to G-Boy. G-Boy holding the D's. Pass to Ruan. Ruan to Liam. Pass to Juliana. To Ruan. Pass to Juliana. The backhand pass to Juliana. It's a score by Blacklist.
Anong ranking sa ato yung gabi na?
Dulas ko big batch una ba. First game lang. Ay, wala tang dito kay boxing dili. Kita kay dili kita kada dinya sa pag-zoom.
Ano just gawas idawat ug
Daog tanya to. May score na ko universal number.
Pull by Brian from Blacklist. Inside. Shushu pass to Bao. Bao holding the D's, pass to Shushu. Shushu to Justin. Pass to Dia. Oy, it's a drop by Dia. Brian holding the D's. Pass to Seneca Blue. Pass to Ruan. It's a D by Justin. Hack by Justin to Brian. It's a score by Brian from BFDA. This is our first BFD Cup 2025 fight for third.
Katulog po si Mio, mga 30 minutos po.
Pulled by Chalex from BFD. Brian to Mapoy, Map to Earl with the D's. Pass to Joan to Mapoy with the D's. Backhand pass to Earl to Angeli to Brian. It's a score. Pulled by Mapo. Backhand pass by Brian to Juan. Juan with the D's. Pass to Shushu. Shushu to Juan. What a break by Shushu. To Brian. High power by Kuya Brian. It's a score by Juan. Assist by Kuya Brian. Baby boy ng Juan Lona. Pulled by Korang. Pulled by Korang. Earl. Pass to Liam. Liam with the D's. Pass to Juan. Juan holding the D's. Pass to Brian. Brian with the D's. To Earl. Earl to Juliana. What a grab by Juliana. It's a drop. John Clifford with the dis. John Clifford with the dis. Pass to John Paul. John Paul to Kurang. Forehand pass by Kurang to Justin. It's a score.
Last point na last point.
Kuya Braille with the pool. It's outside. Brian, pass to Liam. Liam to Joan. Backhand pass to Brian. To Earl. Earl to Joan. Joan to Earl. Earl with the wrist. Hack by Earl. 2. It's a drop by Earl.
Game na na.
Ryle. It's a foul. Backhand pass by Ryle to Chalex. High call. Ryle to Dia. Dia to Alexa. Alexa with the wrist. Pass to Myron. Myron to Chalex. Chalex to Carlo. It's a score by Katrina from BFD. It's a game for fight for third.